on it. Let's have a design. To use the options here, we are going to make the selection on it. Use the designs. Explore the changes. Let's add it. Use a paint again. We will find the different options to add some designs here. So we will make the changes again. Use the paint here. Let's have a design. Keep editing the structure. Make another shape. We will use it